Is my screen visible to there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are just about to start one another exercise, that is pendulum. Pendulum, you know? Pendulum. So any idea where you can see this exercise there? Means why we are doing this class. But other than that, why we are doing this exercise in animation? Any rough idea?
Because it is going forward and backward.
Okay. Your hands, your arm, it behaves in like a pendulum. So that's before coming to character, we're trying to do pendulum, try to find out what is the behavior of pendulum. Okay, so what exactly I did, I took this rectangular box as a tool. Give some kind of volume. Okay, probably you know that how to create a color is there that you can select. Use one circle. Okay, then click V key, double click, right, and select like this. Then right click, convert into symbol. Give name if you want. Okay, then press Q, transformation. So once you are doing this, you can rotate, scale, or whatever. So it is rotating from center. But you need this, it should be left side mouse button, you have to just drag and drop here. So it is like this. Then somewhere in 25 you go there, right click, insert keyframe, right? Then somewhere on 50, right click, keyframe, in between just click, create classical twin, same here. Then play loop. Okay, it's a robotic. There's no follow through anything since we are animating hard surface thing. But in coming time, if it is your limb or your arm, so we have to add 3 joints, one for shoulder, elbow, and then wrist. So their follow through can be added. So somewhere you have to, what you have to do, these are your keys, right? So somewhere in 15, keyframe, somewhere here in between, right click, insert keyframe, and select this key, and either you add the time or then play. Okay, to understand what are the keys, onion skin, so you can see it overlaps a lot. So you can identify the spacing between two these images. What we discussed last time, if images are nearby, it is going to be slower. If images are far away, it is going to be fast. So I just brought it near to first one. So just find out the difference. So now you can see from first to last, it's coming slower because I just brought it to near to the first key. So timing and spacing, what we have discussed on the paper or the images, if spacing, two images are nearby or overlapping almost, it is going to be slower. And if it is having distance between them, more distance, it is going to be fast. Just click this one and bring it near to this to just experience what kind of animation you are going to get. Right? Since the spacing or timing, I reduce the time over here. Whenever I'm manipulating here, so I'm playing with the timing and spacing. So I'm manipulating with time in this timeline. And whenever I'm doing this in this stage, that is spacing, distance between two images. So here you can just, once you did this 4-5 keys, explore varieties. Like what if I just click this one and brought it near here? What could be the animation? What if I just keep over here? What kind of animation? Why? Because similar action taking more time here. From this frame to this frame, from this to this distance, it's taking 25 frames or more than 25 frames. Right? So if you mathematically calculate these many frames, so you'll get a value for one single frame. So what if I just bring it so close to this one? So same exercise you have to just write down. What if you do condition A? If I just reduce the time between first to second frame? What if I increase the time? What if I just change the position? Okay, so it decides in coming classes or in whenever you're doing character animation, what kind of behavior, what kind of mannerism you can add to your character. Right? Are you getting this point? So with this 5 frames only, just manipulating or readjusting, you can say, different from timing. So left side mouse button, if you click this one, you can reshuffle it. So you have to get an idea by playing with the spacing, by playing with the time. Okay, so this is the exercise for today. You have to do it, and by next class you have to submit. If you're facing any problem in submission, submit through Google Drive. Share me the link. At least you'll get a mark for that, rather than just sitting that whatever issues there. So what you have to do, you have to use this one. Let me create another one. Hope you know this how to create these shapes, square and the circle only. Holding shift, it is uniform. Then click V button, double click. So if I select this, then it is you are destructing it. So rather than this, select in this way. Right click, convert to symbol. Give name whatever you want. Right? Then press Q for transformation. Then you can play like this. Okay. So we need to use rotation for that. If I rotate in this one, so it's from center. So this kind of animation also you can do. Probably you remember there's one toy kind of thing that duck is there drinking water and then coming back. Okay. So by center also, and wherever you want, you can put it there. Okay. So you have to explore more before coming to projects. Explore, and if you are used to and you are comfortable with this thing, then we can go for small character or something. Right? So you have to get a good timing, and you have to get a good idea that you can yourself decide what kind of symbol you have to create for what kind of animation. You should be in that position. So those who are having system, start doing it, and those who do not have right now, they can explore the lab, find out, not in the same machine because it's a licensed software. Some system is having Adobe Animate CC. Or you can share with your friend if it is comfortable over here. So what you have to submit, this raw file of this flash file or Animate CC file in submission, or notes you have to write. What if you have increased the time, what kind of animation has happened, and what if you reduce, what if you, so 5-6 observation I want you supposed to write there, your observation. And I cross check that your observation with your assignment. It should not be that you just copy from somewhere. It should reflect in your assignment also. Clear?